Good morning everyone. I am going to discuss about bisection method. So, the bisection method is used to find the roots of a polynomial equation. It separates the interval and subdivides the interval in which the root of the equation lies. So basically, it is an approximation method to find the roots of the given equation by repeatedly dividing the interval. So, the bisection method is also known as interval halving method, root finding method, binary search method, or dichotomy method. For more understanding, we can see bisection method algorithm. So, here we can see a diagram. And here is the algorithm. For any continuous function f of x, find 2 points and say a and b. Then find the midpoint of a and b and say t. T is the root of the given function. If f of t is equal to 0, let's follow the next step. Divide the interval a and b. If f of t multiply f of a less than 0, there exists a root between t and a. Else if f of t multiply f of b less than 0, there exists a root between t and b. Uh, Repeat about 3 steps until f of t is equal to 0. Then, bisection method is approximation method to find the roots of the given equation by repeatedly dividing the interval. This method will divide the interval until the resulting interval is found, which is extremely small. So, now we see an example. So, the question is determine the root of the given equation x square minus 3 is equal to 0 for x epsilon 1 in bracket 1 and 2. So here given is x square minus 3 is equal to 0. Then by Cramer's rules it will become f of x is equal to x square minus 3. So here is the iteration. We have here 10 iteration. Okay, so how can we solve this equation? So here is iteration 10 a b t f of a, f of b and f of t. So here is value f of x at a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So iteration it becomes a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and t will become 1 plus 2 divided by 2. So it gives 1.5. Then f of a will be negative 2 and f of b will be 1 and f of t is equal to negative 0.75. So the value of a is 1 and value of b is 2. Then function of a, so when we put function of 1, what it gives negative 2. And similarly function of b, what we found 1. Its value is 1. Then t is equal to then t is equal to a plus b by 2. So it gives 3 by 2 and it will become 1.5. So value of t is 1.5. Then we put this value in function. 1.5 square 1 1.5 square in equation. What is our equation? X square minus 3. So we put the value 1.5 square minus 3. So it gives 0.75, negative 0.70 value 75. So it will become f of t. Then next iteration. It will become negative. So when it gives negative, when f of t is negative, so a is replaced with 1.5 for next iteration though, and the iteration for the given function are, next iteration is a is equal to, so we put the value 1.5, we put the value 1.5 here, 1.5. then what it will become? B. So in first iteration f of t's value is negative, so in s place we put 1.5 and b's value is same, b's value is same, so f's value is also same, so b's value is 2. then we can, then a plus b divided by 2, what will it become? 1.5 plus 2 divided by 2. So it will become 1.75. 1.75. Then f of b, then in place of f of a we have to put f of t's value. Its value 1.75. Then we put 1.70 in equation. What is our equation? X square minus 3. So it gives 0.062. So we have to do it until it gives approximation value. So we have 10 iteration, and so 10 iterations. So at the 10th iteration we get the final interval in bracket 1.7305 1.7324. Hence 1.7314 is approximated solution. Okay, thank you.